Write a short note on particulars to be given in application for compensation. The provisions relating to the application for compensation are contained in Section 22 of the Employees Compensation Act 1923. This section lays down the procedure and particulars required when a workman or his dependents apply to the Commissioner for compensation. According to Section 22 of the Employees Compensation Act 1923, an application may be made to the commissioner when the employer and the workman fail to reach an agreement regarding compensation. However, in the case of death of a workman, the dependents may directly make an application to the commissioner without fulfilling this condition. Particulars required in the application. Under Section 22(2) of the Employees Compensation Act 1923, the application should be made in the prescribed form, be accompanied by the prescribed fee, if any, contain a clear statement of the circumstances in which the application is made. Mention the relief of compensation claimed by the applicant. In claims against an employer, the application should also contain the date of service of notice of the accident upon the employer. If notice was not served or was delayed, the reasons for such the Act also protects illiterate persons. If the applicant is unable to prepare the application due to illiteracy or any other reason, the Commissioner may prepare the application on behalf of the applicant if he so desires. Illustration. Suppose a worker suffers an injury during employment and the employer refuses to pay compensation. The worker may file an application before the commissioner containing details of the accident, compensation claimed, notice served upon the employer, and other necessary particulars. Conclusion. Thus, Section 22 of the Employees Compensation Act 1923 provides the procedure and essential particulars required in an application for compensation to ensure fair and proper settlement of compensation claims.